Hi guys, this is Rob Coco and this is Finance News. Take a look at COSM, ticker symbol COSM. COSM is up today 5%. In 1 week, the stock is up 8%. In 1 month, the stock is down 0.86%. In 3 months, the stock is down 2%. So for the last 3 months, the stock is hovering between $3 to $3.60. Okay, $3.60. So it's been consolidating for a long period of time, right? It's been consolidating for a long period of time right here. Okay, consolidating. It's been consolidating around that area. This is a very, very bullish sign. Can you imagine for the last 3 months, okay, the company have not done any sort of dilution, did not dilute the stock. The stock doesn't go down between below $3, right? It's always been around this price range, okay? This is been identified that the bottom price of the stock is between 2.90 cents to $3.22. Okay, it's around that price range. The only thing that is missing on this stock is some sort of a volume that goes up. So let's review the average volume for this stock. I think it is very imperative to be aware of the volume. Okay, so the volume is a very, very little. As you can see, the average volume is 426, right? 426, which is right here, 426,000. You see that, right? And then the volume today is this, 396. You see that, right? 396. So what does that tell you? All right. There is, at this time, there is no customers buying the stock, and it is in that flat zone, plateaued, right? It is plateaued. There are news after news after news. There's acquisition after acquisition after acquisition. So the timing is perfect. The timing is perfect. One of these days, this is what's going to happen on this stock. All right, there's gonna be a massive inside buying that can happen on this stock, and the stock can go up. Right, an outside institution, can do a massive buying of this stock, and the stock goes up. Okay, there's news after news after news on this one. Only a few investors, a few whales, okay, once they see this stock that it's been plateaued, it's been around this price range, right? This stock has the potential to go kaboom drastically and violently. Why? It's because this is a short stock. It's a very small float. Take a look at this, guys. Very small float. All right. Look at this. You see that? That is the float. What is that? This float can be disappear in a very small period of time. Super fast, super quick. And then the stock goes rocket to the moon. Do I think that COSM is going to rocket to the moon? Yes, it will. It needs a volume. It needs buying. It needs a lot of the investors right now that are on this are holding, and they are not selling, right? They are not selling this stock. This stock bought Kana, right? Kana, which is this one. Let me show you that they bought Kana. And it's very, very impressive, actually. They just purchased this and closed the deal, and they even own the building, which I thought is so cool, right? It is so cool. So Kana is a laboratory. Kana is a laboratory. So this is their laboratories in Greece, right? This is what they do. So they do the labs, leveling. So they have this asset again, and they bought this for a very very good price, right? Very very good price, and I think they even have shares of the stock at the higher exercise price of 15 above $15. So the company believes that their stock is going to go between above, because even Greg bought the stock at $23, right? He has a lot of buying of the stock at $23 price range. So he believes that the stock will go over $23. That's my opinion, not his opinion. That is his opinion. That is my opinion, I should say, not his, right? So he's been purchasing stocks, inside buying, and inside buying, right? A lot of inside buying that is happening on Cosmos Health, right? It is asset after asset after asset, right? So Greg also did a what do you call it? A speech in the Eastern Med Summit before such an esteemed audiences. Okay, there's a lot of people went in there. He made his presentation. He also went to annual New York Eastern Mediterranean Business Summit. Is well underway with insightful keynotes, addresses by and others. Right. So this is Greg making their presentation with regards to premium gold sponsor annual. Okay. CEO Cosmos Health Annual New York Eastern Mediterranean Business Summit. This is in New York Palace, July 10, 2023. He just did that. He just showed everybody about Cosmos Health. Okay, roundabout Q&A at 2:30. Panos. Okay, Annual New York. They did that. So a lot of exposures are happening. The Kana purchase is huge. That is Cosmos right now is definitely undervalued. Now, they're also entering telehealth. Okay, telehealth. Telehealth is a big industry, which is Zip Doctor, right? It's a big industry. You guys know that I'm a registered nurse and a licensed nursing home administrator. Okay, those are huge. We use those telehealth a lot. You know, let's say when I was a nurse, when I was at the nursing home working night shift, and I see a patient that is not doing so well, and I will call telehealth and I will show the doctor, look at what's going on with the patient. They're gonna look at the vitals and blah 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 using telehealth, using the phone or whatever it is, and then the doctor give us a pretty much a diagnosis, a plan of action, an intervention, and a care plan. Okay, so that telehealth is gonna be huge again, huge. So very very soon there is going to be a massive buying that is going to happen on COSM. At this time it's consolidating, which is good, because when do you buy a stock, right? I'm not asking you to buy, hold or sell any stock, but when do you really buy a stock, right? It's when the price is at the value, when the price is at really really low. So Cosmos is asset after asset after asset after asset. So right now it's on that stage, and the stock is getting famous, and the stock is getting a lot of noise and a lot of demands from the retail investors. And very very soon Cosmos Health will be recognized and will be understood, and it will be a massive kaboom that's going to happen on the stock. It will happen so fast, so quick. And then what happens is, let's say the stock goes, it's at $3 right now, and then happens to at $7. All of a sudden, all of those people would have say, I should have bought at $3. It's always could have, would have, should have. It's because they're not doing their due diligence at the earliest time. They're not. They want fast result. They want fast result, and most of the time they're the ones that getting, what do you call that? Hit and lose a lot of money. It's because they went at a very high price. Right now, Cosmos is at a very low price. Right, a very good price range. Okay, so Annual New York successful completes acquisition of Kana that was just announced. Okay, they even have this product, new product launch announced. Okay, which is the Kiosk Island. All right, this one, that is another product. This product helps with indigestion. It's more on indigestion, medication substitute to become more natural and organic way of curing your indigestion, heartburn, stuff like that. Okay, Cosmos successfully completes second phase of CCX0722 development, an innovative product for obesity, innovative product for obesity and weight management. Okay, they did that, so they have accomplished so much, right? They even did uh, they even own the building. They even got into Russell 2000, right? They got into Russell 2000. All right, and it's just continually this company is doing really well. All right, so here's another one. Is excited to be attending the Vita Foods Europe 2023, the World Nutraceutical event in Geneva. Okay, to showcase its premium Sky Premium. Okay, they did that. So a lot of and then acquired full ownership of the approx 29,000 square foot property housing the operation of its wholly owned subsidiary Cosma Farm. Okay, they did that. Another Cosmos Farm, another asset. Purchase price of 1.1 million is well below current fair market value, right? So Cosmos have assets after assets after assets, and looks like it initiated today the reversal. Okay, something is happening. You can tell from one day, from one week, all of a sudden this graph is going on the upward. So I'm very bullish on COSM. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not asking you to buy, hold, or sell Cosmos. I am creating awareness and for education purposes only. You have to do your own due diligence. My name is Rara Coco with Finance News. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. May you have love, peace, prosperity, good health, and happiness to you all. Thank you, and you have a great night.